Hi, I'm Tricia Hudson with Howard Hanna Real Estate Services. I'm the Regional Vice President for Cincinnati and Northern Kentucky. I wanted you all to know we are a family-owned, full-service real estate services company committed to professionalism for our colleagues, our clients, and our communities. We are inspired every day to bring solutions to navigate the complex real estate transaction. We are the largest family-owned real estate company in the United States, and our company provides so many tools to our agents that can help our consumer navigate the hard transaction at times. Hi, today we're at one of our corporate offices here at Howard Hanna Real Estate Services, Mount Orab, Ohio, located in the heart of Brown County. We also have 4 community offices in our area, and that's Milford, Ohio, New Richmond, Ohio, Augusta, Kentucky, and Maysville, Kentucky. So if you're in and about town, please stop by and say hi to us at our office. Another thing that we like to do is collaborate with local businesses and events, so be on the lookout for our green and gold. Our real estate agents are here to guide you through the journey of finding a place to call home, but their mission doesn't stop there. They are your neighbors, friends, and community members who participate in local events, volunteer their time, and support local initiatives and local businesses.